yourself. Can't you see this wonder spread in front of you? The clouds floating by, the sky so clear and blue. Planets in their orbits, the moon and the sun, such perfect harmony. Let's start questioning ourselves. Isn't this proof enough for us? Or are we so blind to push it all aside? No, we just have to open our eyes, our hearts and minds. If we just look right, we'll see the signs. We can't keep hiding from the truth and let it take us by surprise. Protect us in the best way, guide us every single day, keep us close to you till the end of time. So far from you, yet to me you were always so close. I wandered lost in the dark. I closed my eyes to all the signs you put in my way. I walked every day further and further away from you. Ooh, Allah, you brought me home. I thank you with every breath I take. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. I never thought about all the things you have given to me. I never thanked you once. I was too proud to see the truth and prostrate to you until I took the first step, and that's when you opened the doors for me. And now, Allah, I realize what I was missing.
Sebebi 8 yaş baba tatlılar ödülüm. Şularga men sağlığınızı, uzak ömür, жақсы бактылуу жашоо, келечекте şu жақсы отбасы мүчөлөрүң болушун каалайм.
Ушул куттууду курматтырбаңlar. Ылайык эле ынтымактуу болуп эле бактылуу болуңар. Анан бул барган жеринен ыймандуу келин болуп, кайненени кайненеде, кайнатаны кайнатадай сыйлай жүргүлөр.
Look inside yourself, such perfect order, hiding in your cells, running in your veins. What about anger, love and pain, and all the things you're feeling?